Hey Peter, how do you keep track of items that you do?
Well, I do it manually.
Aha, boring, let me teach you the fun way.
Sure, Anna, go for it.
We have an empty to-do list array to store task passed to it. We will push the task passed using function addTask.
Okay, what should I do to know which task is to be done?
For that, you need to call the getTask function. I will tell you the task to be done.
Okay, what if I wanted to add some prior task in my list?
Well, worry not, we have addUrgent function to handle that case too.
Wow, I just learned how to make a to-do list of my own.
Yes, Peter, codes can make our life so much easier and ambiguous-free.
But how did you learn all this, Anna?
I do follow iCode Daily channel. They will teach you all these concepts clearly.
Oh, I will surely follow them, Anna. Thanks, you did let me know about them.
Hey viewers, did Peter and Anna explain you well? Then, save and share this reel with your friends. Follow for more.